Hi everyone! In this video, we will show you how to transfer photos from iPhone to laptop. First of all, you need to connect your phone to your laptop or PC. To do that, use the iPhone power cable and plug it into your system or an iPhone. Once you've plugged your phone with that cable, it will ask you for permission. Allow this device to access photos and videos. Your device will be able to access photos and videos while it is connected to your iPhone. So choose the Allow option from here. Right after that, head to your PC or laptop and click on its Windows search bar. Then, search here for Photos. Once you find it, click to open it. Now, click on the three dots from the top right corner. It will show you the drop-down menu of Settings. Then, choose the Import button from here. From the Import section, select the option from a connected device. Now, your laptop will import all of the photos from your iPhone. If you're not able to see your iPhone device, remove the cable and place it back. After that, import the photo from the connected device and then you will be able to transfer photos from your iPhone to your laptop. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.